Hey, happy Tuesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, today I just wanted to remind folks if you are still on Windows 10 out there, you've got a couple of different paths. You can jump through whatever Microsoft hoops to get the extended support for 1 year. You can upgrade to Windows 11 or switch to Linux entirely. It's up to you, and you do have several paths. We can assist here at Jets PC with the Windows 11 PCs or the Linux PCs. We have some good choices in Windows 11. There's everything from a refurbished gamer desktop, AM5 with DDR5, that has a 1 year hardware warranty at $1,200 plus tax, down to some of the refurbished laptops and desktops, all with 90-day hardware warranties. Those run anywhere from $350 on the low end for a little, small form Dell, up through the laptops at $550 or $650. So come on by and see us. We're Jets PC. We're located at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Come on by. We can help whichever direction you're headed in that path to get off Windows 10. Y'all have a good morning, and thanks for tuning in.